Hey, it's Brian with Green Scene Home Inspections. I know it looks like I'm in a cave, but really I'm in the closet. This closet has a water heater in it. The water heater sits about 4 feet off the ground, and the rest of it is up inside this closet here. Here's the reason why I had to climb up into this closet to go see what I was doing. So this is where I kind of came up and walked my way up here. And the reason I did it, because I couldn't see up here, so I found transit, asbestos fibers, and a flue. We've had some deterioration and some corrosion in the lines here. Need to keep these lines sealed in the sides of the walls. They try to do a little bit of ventilation in this cabinet or this closet. Didn't do such a great job. That's all they did. And here's the other reason I came up here. That's disconnected. So basically we're getting a lot of heat and we're getting a lot of carbon monoxide built up inside this closet. Unfortunately, you can kind of see what the damage it's been doing. It's been doing a lot of heat and damage to the paint in here, which is basically going into the house and into your attic and possibly could cause a serious situation. So there's a reason why we come into these houses and a reason why home buyers and home sellers don't get a chance to see these without home inspectors. Feel free to give me a call. Call us at Green Scene Home Inspection.